Oh, this is big. The reporting you love from FCM just got powered up. Introducing FCM Reporting, fueled by Microsoft Power BI. Enhanced data security with Microsoft Information Protection. Featuring AI and machine learning that enables quicker and more advanced insights. Advanced integrations means you get your data from all your necessary sources. Paint a picture with your data with 3 times enhanced visualization options. Power BI supports FCM's mission to better support people, planet, and profit because data drives moral purpose. Data drives social responsibility. Data helps you meet financial targets. With FCM's advanced AI, your travel reporting behaves like your favorite search engine. Query, click, go. Discover. New dashboards. Decomposition tree. Benchmarking. Sustainability and traveler wellness. And much more. FCM Reporting makes your data work for you, climbing the analytics ascendancy mountain to give you crystal clear analytics, ultimately making your data-driven decision-making more agile, accurate, and efficient. FCM Reporting fueled by Power BI is available now. Curious? Learn more at fcmtravel.com.